missing you. Mom, they gonna be real happy to see you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Hey, what's up, y'all? Look who I found hanging around. Hey. You been on the wrong back, man. Slow down, folks. What's up, y'all?
Hey, she was my nigga, too.
Eat a dick, nigga. And where the fuck you going, bitch?
I don't know, man. Oh, shit.
Nigga, what the fuck is going on?
I lost the will to live, and now I lost my sister.
What, apart from your mom being dead? Your sister buried over there. Little people over there. My dick's over there. And I'm buried over there.
What the fuck?
You got a coffee over your head, boy. How you feel?
Like that.
Oh! Thanks. Oh, I ain't fucking shit myself.
That's just this thing.
I can't breathe. You fucking sick motherfucker. You cocksucker. Damn, man. Take it easy.
It's my job. Right, Ed?
Technically, nah.
Huh? Don't you ever talk about my job. Right, Ed?
No, Frank, relax.
Hey, Hernandez, you gonna fuck all day?
Yeah, why not?
Nice.
I can break these cuffs.
You can't break those cuffs.
Man,
What?
I can't believe that nigga Smoke turned upside down.
Smoke! Smoke!
Enough.
Man, you bust up.
Nah,
Bullshit. Didn't you let Sweet die just because you can't deal with this? Huh? Eddie, I can't deal with
break
it.
yourself.
No, 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 no.
He's a fucking cop, you maniac.
What?
The fucking cop.
Fuck it, let's get beer or something.
Fuck them Grove Street fools.
Oh, motherfucker, my car.
Nice car, Smoke.
Hey. Ballers.
We gotta get back to the back, man. It's too
That little glass looking piece of all of shit. Oh. Cap your ass. And your ass. And your ass. And your ass. And your ass.
And your ass. And your ass. And your ass. And your ass.
nice. Who that is?
Oh, hi,
Carl. Been a long dick hunt.
No,
Get over here, bitch.
not today, asshole. Today, we taking a shit.
What?
What the fuck?
Bitch. Now, I gotta take care of my business. I took the shit.
Stop touching my fucking meat, Tenpenny.
How you like that, Velasquez? That gives you any idea how gang I am? You too, Carl.
Hold up. Let's creep in, grab the pins, and bounce in.
Gee, I got it ninja style.
Shut up!
Shoes. Okay, fool. Take your cut and get the fuck inside.
Ease up, man. Damn. Let's do this.
Nani? Get off my wrist, you bastard!
Damn. CJ, damn. Looking too skinny. Go get something to eat.
Let's get up out of here.
Show me how they drive on the East Coast, Buster.
I'm on it. Damn! Bullshit! Shit!
Oh, you can't drive for shit.
Nice car, Ryder.
Hey, donut, Carl. Come on over here, boy.
Nice car, Smoke.
My car. Hey, CJ! Hey, I'm over here. Homie, listen to me. I'm behind you, fool. I'm just thinking that all. Don't make this personal. Man, fuck this shit.
Nice new car, Smoke.
If you don't, somebody will.